a HFC job today in Rushcutters Bay for a customer. Basically, he's got HFC. NBN's just been in the building recently and put in all the cabling into each unit. It comes back here to the MDU. Now, we're getting the lights on the black box here. They go, you get the upstream, downstream light, but then as soon as the on light line comes on, everything drops out again. You'll see here in a second, it's all going to drop out. See, just like that. Now, we have this connected directly to the tap out here. It's a bit hard, it's a bit dark to see. Actually, I'll put my light on, there we go. It's connected to the tap out. So this is directly on the network side. So we thought it might have been something to do with internal cabling, but it's not. So I'm just doing this video just so this customer's got some proof of exactly what's happening. So this is not going to be another back and forward with NBNs. This is 100% a network issue, so NBN, you need to sort this one out.